Hello everyone, hope you're doing fine. Today I'm here with a new tutorial of using WhatsApp on your desktop as well as your web app. So let's get started without any delay. Before going ahead, you need a backup file of your desktop. Go to your browser and just type WhatsApp for desktop. This will lead you to official website of WhatsApp where you can download the exe file of backup for your desktop or your Mac operating system. So I'm on the download section of website. As you can see, whatsapp.com/download, and here there are two versions available. One is for Windows and one is for Mac operating system, depend on your nature. So because I'm running on Windows, so I have to download the 64-bit Windows app.exe file for WhatsApp. So here the download is started and I'm getting download ready. Once I ready, I will be back shortly. Okay, my exe file is ready now and I need to install this on my Windows. So I'm opening this. With a simple process of installation, I will get the exe file. Here we go. So I'm opening the exe file. Start the WhatsApp desktop application. As you open the WhatsApp desktop application, this will ask you to scan your QR code. Just go to menu, settings, and select web, WhatsApp web. So how to do that in a device? I have my device ready here, and just go to the menu section. As you can see the three dots right here, just tap on it on your device and go to WhatsApp for web just to scan the QR code. So as long as you press the WhatsApp web button, and you can this will lead you to open your camera for scanning the QR code. Just press OK and scan the device, the QR code. Once your QR scan code is finished, you will have access to your WhatsApp account on your desktop. Here we go. I am ready. The WhatsApp account is connected to my WhatsApp desktop app, and here you can see that everything looks good. Chatting is there. You can send a message, reply, anything that you want. All your chats will appear here, and as you can see that there is connected. So coming to the settings of my desktop application, I am here to explore anything new. Status are there as your device has, and new chats you can create here. And coming to the settings, here the same settings as of your device, except the desktop settings. You can go to the changing of themes, light, dark, as you want. And the next one is, I'm coming back to the light mode. Chat wallpaper that you are going to change as you like the color. This one is much better. Going back and going to the desktop settings, store WhatsApp and login. This will automatically log into your desktop apps once your Windows start. So okay, coming to the next section of using the WhatsApp for web. All you need is to open your web browser. Just go to the URL of web.whatsapp.com and press the enter button. As you press the enter button, you will have access to the same interface as of the desktop application of scanning the QR code. All you need is to take up your device. This will take a while. Once it's ready, the scan QR, the same interface that we have earlier, and all you need is to take up your device. Here we go. And same process of scanning the QR code. WhatsApp for web. Open the camera, scan the QR code. and here we go, we have the same access of WhatsApp as of my device on my web browser. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please keep in touch with iCyberClicks. Stay tuned.